Hi there, Chris here. I have this old Yale cylinder and I hadn't seen this before, but it looks like it has two cams on it. Anyway, I thought I'd pick it and kind of see how this thing works. How they have that in there is kind of interesting. This is the key. That's the bitting. It's interesting. It has a little fracture on it right there. Just a little crack. It's on the GB keyway and has a little number on there. I think this one might be master keyed. This is the one key I have for it, and it works nicely. Those two actuators, it's funny, one moves and one is solid. So let's have a look, see if I can get into this, and then I'll take a look at how they have that cam stuck in there. Sometimes this takes a long time to rake open and sometimes not too long. But hopefully I can get it here and we can get into it and take a look at it. There we go. Okay, so we have an open. So we'll go ahead and take it apart and look at this interesting actuator. Oops. I think what I'll do is, if I remember correctly, I think this is master keyed. And if it is, I will make a control key. I'm sorry, I will make an operating key and a master key. I don't think I can get a shim in this one. Let's see. Oh, maybe. Yeah, we're gonna be okay. All right, so here we go. Everything needed to be picked. And let me get the shim out of my way. Keep on camera, dummy. Get some tweezers here. Yes, it is master wafered. I don't know if you can see that, but we have a little wafer on the top here. Get the spring out. Whoa. All right, coming up on number 2. And that is a standard driver with no wafer. And same type of spring. 3 is, this is standard driver, no wafer. Sticky spring. Let's get 4. That's a standard driver with a sticky spring. On the back. Whoa. That would be number 6. Pardon me. That's number 6. Get this spring out of the way. And number 5. Where's that spring? There we go. Now, let's see if we can see in here. Flashlight. Do I have one? Jeez. You can see in there that that extra cam is retained by a little pin in there. So we'll take that out. He said, guess I have to push it down and slide it out. And so that's out. You can see the little hole in it that retains it. And this little dirty pin which has, whoa, sorry about that, little reduced end on it, and this spring holds the tension in there. Keep that pin set. Interesting. So you have that little bevel in the back here where this second actuator or cam rides, and it's retained by this little spring pin. I'll give you a close-up of the pins if I can. Dump these key pins out. So number 6 has a master wafer. And a key pin. Number 5, get over there. And a cat hair. And number 4, 3 is master wafered. I don't know where it went. Oh, it's still in. Now I got it messed up. Here we go. Well, I'm going to figure this out when I put it back together. Oh, here we go. I got back on track now, and 1. All right, nothing different about the core. So what I think I'll do is I will go ahead and cut a key so it will open either with this key or a master key. I'm trying to think if this is the master key or not. Can't tell. Anyway, I do have some of these blanks, and I'll figure it out on my cutter and make another key. Anyway, thanks for watching. I love comments. Leave a like or leave a comment and hit the like, and thank you for watching, and hello to all my new subscribers, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.